Okay, we have Apurva Prasad also with us from HDFC Securities. Apurva, with one of the best quarters in Q3, can we see sequential performance coming in Q4? You know, what are some of the factors that you think could lead up to this, and could we actually see this as the decade of the best sequential performance?
Morning. So we expect an encore even this quarter. This quarter too should be close to the decade best. Fourth quarter sequential. Let's not forget, fourth quarter is not typically the strongest quarter for IT companies. Even in that context, we expect a very strong growth led by the largest two. So I think some of the lead indicators continue to be fairly positive, whether it is around the deals, whether it is around the opportunity around cloud migration or cost optimization initiatives by large enterprises. So there is very clear acceleration on most of these metrics. The differential for the quarter will be more on margins, but that's more a timing difference of the wage increase taken by different companies. But the broad demand trends continue to be very strong.
Apurva, what is the outlook when it comes to the kind of guidance that most of these companies dole out this time around? Are you expecting the likes of Infosys, HCL Tech, TCS, etc. to maintain their guidance, or do you see some sort of a moderation?
Sure. So they will be guiding out for the first time for FY22. What they have indicated earlier is a double digit. So they should be comfortably doing that. We expect most of the larger ones to deliver 14-15% type of a growth rate in FY22. So we expect guidance to be, I think, indicative of those kind of closes. Having said that, even the mid-tier space, we expect sort of companies to post very strong numbers, some like 35%. So I think the guidance is something which most companies will start talking for the first time on FY22. So more specifics will come to those results, but we do expect them to guide very strong.
Okay, fair enough. That's a word coming in on the overall guidance. And where is it, what is it that you're looking forward to by way as well of deal momentum for some of these companies? The focus on digital as well is definitely going to be crucial in this quarter. What is it that you're expecting to hear on this front?
Absolutely. So, I mean, like you said, so deal momentum is one key monitorable. So recent trends have been very strong. So some of the deals that the companies have been reporting, we expect them to clock very healthy book-to-bill, and those trends are expected to continue. So whether it is in case of Infosys large deal as well as TCS's overall TCV, we expect very strong deal bookings. But yeah, we'll be curious to see how those are trending, how the commentary is more from a medium-term perspective. Some of these large deals do provide very, very strong growth visibility in the near term. But we'll be interested to understand from the management their outlook on medium-term trends and the longevity of all growth opportunities that are coming through. I think importantly, operationally is an area that we would expect differential performance, in the sector, as we do expect attrition to go up as a result of increased demand and some supply crunch that we do understand is coming through. So I think operationally, we would want to get a better fix from in terms of how they see outlook. But the broader outlook, remains fairly positive.
Apurva, what about Infosys with respect to the buyback? What is it that you're expecting? Because most analysts on the street are penciling in anywhere between 11 to 15,000 crore rupees. Would a 15 to 20% premium to the current price be a fair expectation in terms of the buyback?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think going by the prior track record of buybacks and how those have trended for not just Infosys but some of the others, I think it's maybe 15% premium is one way to look at it, and buyback size 80,000. That looks like a worst case scenario. But yeah, I mean, that's very much within the payout policy of the company, 5% of free cash. We all know that free cash for most of the sector has been very strong for the 9 months as compared to prior years. So yeah, that does translate into payouts increasing substantially.
No, thank you so much for taking time out, Apurva, and sharing with us your expectations from the IT sector. Let's slip into a very quick break. Be right back.